Okay guys, today I'm going to show you a really great ink company that I found to save really tons of money on printer ink. And for example, this OfficeJet Pro, the 576, is actually quite expensive to change the ink cartridges. Let me turn it off and show you what I have inside it. Yes, I have King Jet. They're on Amazon. I will leave a link to their store in Amazon. I'll leave a link as well if you have the same printer as mine. So you can go buy directly for this one. This is an office printer that has 3 trays, 2, 1, and the third feed from the top. But we are not going to focus much on the printer as much as we're going to focus on the ink itself. That is actually the start of this show. Let me show you what I actually have inside this one. As you see, this is KingJet. Let me just show you to the other camera. This is actually KingJet. Let me put it back inside really quick. And it's been for 2 years now, 2 years and a half, almost 3, that I've been only using KingJet in all my printers. And no, this video is not sponsored or paid. And they don't even know I exist, by the way. Let me turn it back on. And let me open this box so you guys see what's inside it. And yes, I bought all of these. And you'll see, click the link below and check how much the ink costs on this from KingJet for this printer. And let me tell you, for this printer, if you buy the OEM ink, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's great ink, absolutely it is. But if you buy it, it will cost you, with taxes and all, over $500. I'm not joking. Or the whole palette with the 3 colors and the black will cost you over $500. Versus this one, much less. Here's what you would expect in this box right here. I opted in for the extra large. So I got all the extra large inks. Here's one of them, for example. Let me just show you under this camera real quick. One of them. That's the Cyan 97 XL, as you see right there. The really nicely packaged with the real professional looking packages. And here's the yellow as well. Let me show you the other one. This one should be the magenta. Yep, that's the magenta XL as well. All of them are extra large. And here's the black extra large. Yes, you know, a lot of times you print a lot of the black and white paper. And this is the 970 XL, the extra large as well. And yes, all of them from KingJet. And I'm telling you guys, for these last 3 years that I've been using KingJet exclusively on my printers, for Epson, Canon, Brother, and HP, it has been a pure breeze. I'm telling you, having enough ink for the price they offer it to at your fingerprints on Amazon delivered to your door and without a single bleeding or a single problem so far. Obviously, your printer has to be compatible when you buy these cartridges. But if your printer is compatible and they have ink for your printer, I would say 100% go with KingJet and you will not regret it. You will actually love it. I know I'm sounding like I'm getting paid from them, I wish, but I'm not getting paid from them. Let me just print a quick, just one of those reports. Okay, print report. The print job has been sent. Just to show you the print quality from this, from KingJet. Really quick. And here's the printed report, as you see, and the colors, and as you see, the black color right here. And let me show you to the other camera too. Now, don't look, this part here, don't look. This part here is actually my printer head. That needs to be recalibrated, but one of these days I'll have to recalibrate it. But in the other printers, it doesn't do this one. But just to show you the colors themselves and the accuracy of the printing. With this KingJet, not a single bleeding as you see, or blurring, or any problems at all. In my opinion, if you really want to save money long term and you have a printer that you need to print quite a lot, I think KingJet will be your really best friend in this one to save you huge tons of money. And for the last 3 years, I haven't had a single problem. And there's a lot of paper that gets printed from this puppy right here. A lot of paper. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And next video, I'm going to show you how you can save money on printing paper as well. Stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time. Bye!